Hi, greetings to all from Dr. Shankar Narayanan Palleri. I am Assistant Professor and Head Department of Social Science Education at NSS Training College, Ottapalam, Kerala, which is affiliated to University of Calicut. Today, I would like to present a brief content on revised Bloom's taxonomy, which is called RBT, popularly known as RBT. Bloom's taxonomy is very well known to all people because it is widely using in all sectors of education and popularly in teacher education also. Revised Bloom's taxonomy is combined by Anderson and Krathwohl. Actually, Anderson and Krathwohl were contemporaries to Benjamin S. Bloom while he was developing, or they were developing the taxonomy of educational or instructional objectives. Taxonomy of instructional objectives by Bloom has focused on three domains that you may very well know. The three domains were cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. Each domain have different levels of thinking and cognitive processes. Cognitive domain is directly with the cognition and learning. Affective domain is related with the feelings, and psychomotor domain was related with the features, any physical features that is controlled by psych. Now, the teaching learning process all over the world has changed to a process oriented dimension. Before it was objective oriented. While it is changed to process oriented, the cognitive processes also changed. This may be the background that Anderson and Krathwohl began to think of a new type or revision of the method that is following in the levels of thinking in cognitive domain. So this was the Bloom's taxonomy, the learning objective levels in the cognitive domain. The last domain was knowledge, a lower level, comprehension, another lower level, application a moderate level, then analysis, synthesis, evaluation were considered as higher order level. So in the cognitive domain, on these levels, it is made changes by the Krathwohl and Anderson. They did change it like this. For example, that knowledge has gone to remembering, then comprehension has changed to understanding, then application has changed to apply or applying, and then analyzing has changed to analyze. Then one more change is there, or the evaluation has come to the fifth place, and synthesis that has gone off. There is no synthesis in the as a thinking level in the Anderson's and Krathwohl's revised Bloom's taxonomy. Now, instead, evaluating has come to the second last, and a new domain which is called creating or create has come. So, remembering is lower level, understanding is another lower level, then applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. This is a major change in the revised Bloom's taxonomy. Actually, revised Bloom's taxonomy is a big topic and needs a high discussion on it. But this is the brief outline of the change happened in the taxonomy in the under Anderson and Krathwohl. These were the major process skills in the remembering. It has a scope from choose to why are the process dimension skills, and in the understanding level, or to understand, it has come as classify, compare, contrast, demonstrate, explain, extend, like that. It means demonstrate understanding of facts and ideas by organizing, comparing, translating, interpreting, giving a description, like that it just goes. Then applying or apply is the moderate level with a lot of process in the cognition. Analyze is the another level. Analyze, it includes analyze, assume, then test for theme, like that is the process dimension. Then evaluating are the specifications, not process dimension, sorry, it is specifications. Evaluating or evaluate, it comes from agree to appraise, assess, award, choose, like that. And the change that is in create or creating, Anderson has recorded it like this, as adapt, build, change, choose, combine, like that. And he said that compile information together in a different way by combining elements in a new pattern or proposing alternative solution is the process skill that included in the create level of cognitive process. And this is almost the brief of revised Bloom's taxonomy discussed by Krathwohl and Anderson. And I would like to conclude this brief introduction on revised Bloom's taxonomy, and thank you